I'm mother of a teenager, and one day my daughter asked me, "Mom, please make a video on skincare for teenagers." She told me that many of us friends have started using retinols and other active ingredients on their face by watching Instagram reels by various influencers. I was very shocked to know that, and so decided to make a video on skincare regimen for teenagers. So if you are a teenager or parent of a teenager, then do watch this video completely. So in today's video, I am going to talk on various hormonal changes which affects the skin of teenagers. What is the skincare regimen teenagers should follow for all the skin types? What are the do's and don'ts for teenager skincare? Also, I'm going to talk about makeup application for teenagers, methods of hair removal for teenagers, and diet for teenagers. So do watch this video completely to get glimpse of teenager skincare. During puberty, because of the hormonal changes, sebaceous glands gets overactive. They start to secrete more of the sebum. Sebum is nothing but oil. That is the reason generally teenagers are having oily skin. So if the skincare is not proper, then the pores can get clogged and they can get blackheads as well as whiteheads. Now if the bacteria come in picture, then they are bound to get acne, which could be pus-filled acne also. So skincare is very important so that you will have acne-prone skin during your teenage. So now let's talk about skincare for teenagers for all the skin types. Always remember, less is more for teenagers. You are not supposed to apply too many products on the face. So for acne and oily skin, first is cleansing. So for the cleansing, you should use salicylic acid based face wash like Salicylic face wash or mandelic acid based face wash like MAF wash. So you have to cleanse your face thoroughly 2 times in a day, once in the morning and once at night. Then follow it with a lightweight moisturizer like Excella moisturizer or Acne Moist moisturizer. Both are hydrating moisturizers and they will not clog your pores. Sunscreen is very important. You can use gel-based sunscreen like Solagard or Solacross sunscreen. If you're having oily and acne-prone skin which is prone for comedones, then do apply salicylic acid-based product like Sebo gel or Sebonac gel 2 to 3 times in a week for 1 to 2 hours and then wash off. It will reduce the tendency of the comedones. But if in spite of taking good skincare, if you are recurrently getting acne, then please don't ignore it. Please don't consider it as a common skin problem for the teenagers, as if ignored, it can result in acne marks and acne scars which are more difficult to treat. Also at home, please don't apply lemon, garlic, aloe vera ke patte on the face. Please stop doing that as it will cause more irritation to the skin. We have already created a video on acne skincare and also we have created a video on how to get rid of acne marks. I have shared the link of both these videos in the description. So if you are suffering from acne problem recurrently, then do watch these 2 videos which will help you to get rid of acne problem. So this is about the skincare for oily and acne prone skin. Now even during teenage, if you are having dry skin, then the product line is going to be different for you. For dry skin, in the class of cleansers, you should go for more milky based cleansers like Cleanse Me cleanser, Cetaphresh cleanser or Cetaphil cleanser. These are more gentle to the skin. In case of moisturizers, you should go for ceramide based moisturizers like Aquasoft FC moisturizer or Cerasoft moisturizer. In case of sunscreen, you should go for more hydrating sunscreen like Hydrasun. Nowadays, many teenagers have started using ingredients like retinol or other actives on the face. Please don't start any anti-aging products on the face now. Your skin is still very fresh. Its renewal capacity is really very good. This kind of products like retinol or AHAs, they are going to irritate your skin more and they will do more harm than good to your skin. Nowadays, many people are using nose strips to remove blackheads and whiteheads. That is a very temporary solution. So rather than going for that, you should go for a permanent solution. Like you should use salicylic acid based product like Sebo gel or Sebunac gel on the nose or the area where you are getting more of the blackheads and whiteheads. Keep it for 2 hours and wash it off. So with this skincare regimen, your pore size will also reduce and you will not get any blackheads and whiteheads. Plus, the nose strips are having very strong adhesives. Because of that, your skin can get irritated and inflamed. Scrubs are not for you. Scrubs are for the people to remove dead layer from the skin. In younger age, in your age, the cell renewal rate is already very high, so there is no dead layer accumulation on the face. So scrubs are not required for you. Also, if you are having acne prone skin, active acne on the face, and you are using scrubs, then what it is going to do? It will damage the skin. Okay, you are bound to get more acne marks and acne scars because of the injuries which you are creating on the face. The scrubs can also damage your skin barrier. So please don't use scrubs. It is not for you. Then comes bleach. Many teenagers wants to remove the tan faster with the bleach. Bleach contains harmful chemicals like sodium hypochlorite and hydrogen peroxide. It can cause sensitivity to your skin. It can cause dermatitis to your skin. It can cause a permanent damage like pigmentation on your skin. So please don't use this kind of products on your skin. Now I'll talk about makeup. Generally, I don't recommend makeup for the teenagers as the skin is naturally very good. There is very nice glow on the face naturally. So makeup is really not required. But still, occasionally, if you want to use, then instead of using foundation, you can use tinted sunscreens or you can use BB creams as they will not clog the pores like foundations. Also for the lips, rather than using dry and mattifying lipsticks, you can use a simple lip blush or you can use a tinted lip balm. So you can use these simple makeup tips so that your skin will also look hydrated and nourished and it will not harm your skin. Also, if you're using makeup brushes, then please don't share your makeup brushes with others as it can carry bacteria and you can get infections because of that. Again, if you're using makeup, then please double cleanse it at night time and remove all the makeup, as if the makeup will stay on the face overnight, then it is definitely going to clog the pores and you're bound to get more acne because of it. But everybody wants to do some DIY things for their skin at home, right? So if you're having oily skin, then you can take 1 spoon of multani mitti and mix with rose water and apply on the face. This pack you can apply 2 to 3 times in a week. Also, if you're having dry skin, then you can take 1 spoon of honey mixed with rose water and apply on full face. You can also apply this pack 2 to 3 times in a week. Now, the most important concern for the teenage girls is excessive hairs on the body. They start becoming conscious, so they want to know the methods for the hair reduction. So first, generally most of the people like to shave in this age. So if you are using shaving as a method for hair removal, then please don't shave in the opposite direction, because if you will start shaving in the opposite direction, then the hair will start becoming more coarse and then the skin also will start becoming like a strawberry skin. So you can avoid it by shaving in the direction of the hair. If you're choosing waxing, then please make sure that the wax prepared is fresh enough and also the strips which you're using are disposable. It should be done in a hygienic manner, and don't forget to use a moisturizer and sunscreen after your waxing. Third way to remove the hair is laser hair reduction. Many people have a concern when to start the procedure. Ideally, once you start getting periods, after that wait for 2 years and then you can start your laser hair reduction. Or any time after the age of 16, you can start laser hair reduction. Laser hair reduction is very safe and effective method to get rid of hair completely. During teenage, most of the kids start experiencing sudden weight gain. So they become more weight conscious. So diet plays very important role over here. Some kids start heavy dieting also. So I want to tell all the kids that dieting is not for you. You are still in the growing stage. You require enough nutrition. So start eating more of the balanced diet. If you are eating a lot of outside food, lot of junk food or cold drinks, then you can avoid that or you can reduce intake of that. But dieting is strictly no for you. Your diet should be rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, enough of proteins and carbs. Apart from diet, some physical activity is also very much important for you. You can do any kind of physical activity, whatever you like cycling, playing, yoga, swimming, dancing, etc. So if your body is active, then the weight will always remain in control and you will save yourself from diseases like PCOD or PCOS, which are completely lifestyle diseases. I hope you like this video about skincare for teenagers. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. Bye and take care.